told, Barbara, are a child's bones, believed to be a little girl's, were found scattered around this walking area next to this street, only a quarter mile from the Anthony house.
Do it, Mom. Do it.
By a meter reader who says he stepped outside of the view of the street to believe himself. Skull next to a garbage bag.
Back to Natisha at the location where the remains were discovered. What's happening now?
Troy, stop.
Still working, Nancy. There's
Go
still
in.
some
Lay
lights
down.
down at the location where the remains were found. They recently just put up some cones on this street so that nobody can get through.
Mark Williams, what's
Troy.
happening now?
Well, they put some tape going back to the backyard. They've expanded this crime scene. They're waiting for a search warrant. Nobody's entered the house yet. There are 7 deputies here. The street is blocked off, and it's been an interesting night tonight.
You want a kitty too?
They brought Kissy here to have the chaplain tell her they found the body. They're just...